Hi Weaver friends, it's Miss Huntley back with another STEM challenge. Today we're going to do the Rising Water Challenge. Now pause. Before you complete this challenge, I ask that you have some adult by you. This challenge is going to use fire, so you need to ask permission and have somebody help you. All right, let me show you what we're going to need. First, a big bowl or even a plate with an edge so that it can hold water in it, and some water. Then you're gonna need some sort of glass bottle or jar. I have an old hot sauce bottle here. You could do a glass bottle of soda or even a glass jar of pickles. It just needs to be empty. Next, you need a candle. I have a little birthday candle, but I've seen it done with bigger candles. It just needs to fit inside your glass bottle. Then you're going to need something to light your candle. I have a lighter, but matches definitely work. Remember, this is where you need some adult help. Now, an optional thing is food coloring. I'm gonna dye my water blue when doing this experiment so it's easier to see. You don't have to do it, but it helps. Finally, I have a really tiny candle, so I'm gonna use some putty to hold it to the bottom of my bowl. If you have a bigger candle, it'll probably stand up on your own. You can use anything sticky to make it stand up. For our setup, you're gonna start by filling your bowl with a little bit of water. You don't need a lot, just enough to cover the bottom. Remember, you can also use a plate with an edge. Next, you're gonna put your candle in the middle. Remember, I had to use putty because I'm using a small birthday candle. If you have a bigger candle, it'll probably just stand up on its own. You could also use tape or anything else sticky to hold it up. Now, an optional thing is to dye your water. I'm gonna use food coloring to do it. It helps so you can see the water better during the experiment. I'm gonna use blue because it's my favorite color and just add a few drops. And then mix it up. Now that our water's dyed, the last step is to light your candle. Remember, this is a part where you need an adult to help. Fire is dangerous, so we want to make sure we have somebody who's responsible to help keep us safe. Now that my candle's lit, let's get this experiment started. But before you do, make a hypothesis. What do you think is going to happen when I put the bottle over the flame? Is it gonna go out? Is it gonna burn bigger? Is water gonna fill the container? Is it gonna bubble? Pause and make a prediction. All right, take your glass bottle, put it over the candle, and make sure the top of your bottle or container touches the bottom of your plate or bowl. All right, watch closely, here we go. All right, let's break down some of the things we saw during this experiment. First, when I put the bottle over the candle, the flame went out. Then, we saw the water slowly rising in the bottle. What we observed was a difference in air pressure. The candle went out because there was no more oxygen inside the bottle. Fire needs oxygen to ignite. So when the candle went out, the air inside the bottle turned from warm to cool. There was now a difference in air pressure between the outside of the bottle and the inside. The inside was becoming lower and the outside was higher. The high air pressure on the outside pushes the water up into the bottle, making it look like the bottle is sucking the water up mysteriously. I encourage you to try this at home, but remember, it involves fire, which is something that's dangerous. So please make sure you have an adult or somebody you trust to help you. I can't wait to see your responses. Make sure you email me at my school email address. Good luck!